Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Today we will explore Curie's law, a pivotal concept in the realm of magnetism, particularly concerning paramagnetic materials. Curie's law states that the magnetic susceptibility of a paramagnetic material is directly proportional to its temperature. In simple terms, as the temperature of a paramagnetic substance rises, its ability to become magnetized diminishes. Mathematically, M is equal to C times B over T, where M is magnetism, B is magnetic field which is measured in Tesla, T is absolute temperature, and C is Curie constant. Paramagnetic materials such as aluminum, platinum, and certain metal ions possess unpaired electrons that contribute to their magnetic moments. Yet, under thermal agitation, these moments can become randomized, leading to their relatively weak magnetization. At the atomic level, paramagnetic materials display an intriguing characteristic. In the absence of an external magnetic field, the magnetic moments are oriented in random directions. However, when exposed to a magnetic field, these moments tend to align, resulting in a net magnetization that is fragile and subject to disruption by temperature fluctuations. Despite this vulnerability, the alignment under external fields is critical for various applications, showcasing the delicate balance of Curie's law. Let's consider a practical application of Curie's law in the field of magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI. The contrast agents used in MRI scans often involve paramagnetic substances. Here, the behavior outlined by Curie's law becomes instrumental. As temperature variations occur during the seasoning process, understanding the magnetization dynamics allows for enhanced image resolution and diagnostic precision. The intersection of Curie's law and medical technology epitomizes how fundamental scientific principles can lead to groundbreaking advancement in healthcare. In conclusion, Curie's law offers profound insights into the behavior of paramagnetic materials, blending theoretical knowledge with practical application.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.